Hey, today we're going to talk about a completely different topic than the coffee and espresso and things like that. Today I want to share with you my newest gear for my video recording. So far I've been using my portable Manfrotto 290 Lite Italian tripod with my setup. But recently, thanks to you guys' support and following, I decided to upgrade. I just wanted to share with you the unboxing of that Smallrig film tripod, to be exact. And this is the model 5441. And here's the box. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It arrived very quickly. I ordered from Amazon. Had a great deal on it as usual. Amazon has wonderful deals. And arrived within few days. This is the light version. Full carbon fiber. Comes with this beautiful Smallrig bag. And in the bag, let's see what we got. I have another Smallrig tripod. It's a mini desktop tripod, which I like it a lot. That's why I decided to go for a Smallrig instead of another Manfrotto. I have this Manfrotto since 2018, I think. I like it a lot. It's really easy to take it along with me. But hey, I just needed something a little bigger. So this seems like is the one I'm looking for. All right. Let me go ahead and open this card box. This is boxed very well. It looks like my Carbon Bianchi bike. Everything is carbon fiber. All right. As you see, quality is there. Has a beautiful fluid head. Love it. Let me go ahead and open this up. And here's the handle. Fell right off. And for my needs, for my small studio, this is a perfect tripod. Let me know what kind of tripod you guys have. Did you consider owning a Smallrig, or do you already have one of these? What is your experience so far? Here's the video handle. It goes right in here, I assume. Yep. And the best part of this Smallrig tripod, it comes with the Manfrotto head. So I can simply remove this and remove my camera from here, set it up right up here without any issues. Let me release this to show you guys how that works. It's a beautiful base, all metal. And again, this whole thing is carbon fiber. It's gonna work great. As you can tell, my camera rig is growing. Here it is. See if it's gonna fit like a glove. It's really easy. Put it from behind, forward, locks right in. All secure. Let's do our connections. Wow, I'm already loving this. Here it is, you guys. Perfect. It's much more secure. I love the way this whole setup is. I can't wait to use it at my next video shoot. What I need to do is I need to remove this so I can secure this on my dolly. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you what all this is about. Again, this is the model 5441 by Smallrig. And let's see, yep. Oh my God, this could go up to, if I remember correctly, up to 78 inches, which is incredible. Let me just double check that to give you guys better information. Yeah, no, actually this could go up to 73 inches, 185 centimeters. Really light. I can tell the difference right there, and I can't wait to start using this. So if you like this product, I'll have a link in the video description for you. Other than that, thank you so much for all your support and subscriptions and following and likes and comments. You're always welcome to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Have yourselves a great day, and don't forget to have a delicious day. Thanks for watching Teo's Take.